Good morning. Samahan niyo po ako sa aking mukbang. And this are the special dish that I did for this morning. First, rice. And then, the appetizer. Papaya. And then what we call this? Sutanghon. This is what we call the sutanghon. See? Sutanghon. Yan yung ginawa ko ngayon na napakahirap yung task na yun. So, good morning sa inyong lahat.